Do the Tyvek lanterns really not get ruined in the rain? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Solar Tyvek Garden Lantern. Let's get into it. The Tyvek lanterns come in 3 different colour and shape combinations. Firstly, we've got the terracotta colour in a balloon shape with a 30cm diameter. Then we have the teal colour, which comes in a diamond shape and has a 28cm diameter. And finally we have the white colour, which comes in a sphere shape and has a 20cm diameter. So let's open the box. So in the box we've got the instructions, we've got the expander, and finally we've got the lantern itself. So what you're actually going to need to do is find the on switch on the underside of the battery pack and toggle it to the on position. Then we're going to need to insert this expander into the 2 little holes on the underside of the battery pack. You'll need to fit the expander to the ears on the other side of the lantern to keep it open. So these lanterns are actually made out of Tyvek material, which is where they get their name from. This material is incredibly strong, it's durable and it's water resistant, so you don't need to worry about the rain ever ruining your lanterns. So the best way to hang a Tyvek lantern is to use this, which is nylon thread, and that's because from a distance the string appears completely invisible. Now with the Tyvek lanterns, the solar panel sits right on top of the lantern, so just make sure that you're hanging it in a really sunny spot so it gets enough sunlight to last throughout the night. These lanterns look great hung under pergolas or trees, and the dust sensor turns on automatically at dusk, giving you roughly 10 hours of runtime each night. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell icon on so you get notified when we have a new video out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.